Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have my latest Rocksbox to share with you. You know I love my Rocksbox boxes, so let's just dig right in and see what's inside. You know, I think it was about a year ago now. I don't remember. I had my membership paused and I unpaused it thinking I'll do it for like a month or so. I can't get myself to pause this again. I'm just having too much fun with it. I really am. And it's a good way to try jewelry out. So anyway, let me show you what's inside. I don't remember from the preview. I think there were 2 pairs of earrings and maybe a necklace. Yes. So I did ask them, I didn't ask them. I did let them, because you get a preview of what's being sent and you can start swapping out your pieces. And I do have a pair of earrings that's similar to what they sent me, but mine kind of are like hanging earrings. I actually wore them, I think the last time I wore them was when I wore the shirt the last time. So I haven't worn them in a while, but these, I'll show you when I get to them. You're like, stop talking, you wanna see what's in the box, right? Okay, so the first pair of earrings that I'm gonna pull out, let's see. These are by Ava Rose. Oh, these are pretty. They're very kind of more dainty than what I usually wear, right? Looks like it has they have a lot of shine to them, which is pretty. I'll tell you what these are called and the value. So these are the Cary earrings and they are $38. So not a bad price. I didn't wear jewelry on purpose because I knew I was gonna open up my Rocksbox. I also have to tape, I'm filming a lot today. I took the day off from work and it's nice out, but my neighbor's mowing the lawn. So when he's done, I'm gonna try to film some outside. But if he takes a long time, then I'll just keep going inside. Sometimes it's easier inside, but I just wanna spend time. It's a beautiful day. It was snowing here last time I filmed, which was Saturday. Was it Saturday, Sunday? I think the day before it snowed. Why am I struggling to get the backing in? Here we go. So anyway, I'm just trying to spend as much time outside as possible. So these are very pretty. Smaller than what I'm used to, but I like them. I like that they're a little shiny. And the price isn't bad too. So I have that $21 credit that I paid at the beginning of the month, and I can use that if I really like them to purchase it and just pay the remainder. So I really like that. Oh, I think they look better on than they do on the cardboard. Don't they? Maybe it's just me. I'm just gonna keep one on because I have another pair of earrings in here that I'm gonna show you, so I'll put that one in this year. I hope that's okay. And then, okay, let's see what this is. I've never seen a pouch like this come from Rocksbox before. This must be just the brand's own pouch. Normally they come in these or like the, oh, I guess I have. I guess I've seen like a Kendra Scott. All right, so these are the ones that I have. Well, I don't have these, but I have one that kind of dangle. They're very pretty. So these are by Gorjana. These are the Aven studs. These are $53. I didn't pay $53 for mine. Maybe I should grab mine and show you what mine look like. They are similar, except these feel like they're better quality, which they probably are. Hang on. Oops. There we go. What do we think? Let me come a little bit closer. They're cute. You know what, let me grab mine. I'll be right back so I can show you and we'll see if they're a huge difference. Let's do that, hang on one second. All right, so I pulled one of the earrings that I already own. They're pretty similar, right? So these are mine that I already have. I bought these at Loft Outlet last year. I think they were like $8. They're very cute. They're very good for spring. These are the ones that I just got from my Rocksbox. So they're very similar. I mean, they're not that, yeah, they have the same kind of concept, right? So I do like these, but they're more of a stud. These are more of a dangle, but I don't need 2 very similar, and I'm not gonna pay $51. I got these on, this is before my bargain shopping days. So, so yeah, I'm going to send these, no, I'm gonna keep these are mine. And I'm gonna probably wear these around maybe today, even though I'm not going anywhere. Well, I might have to run to the grocery store later, but yeah, I can't wear earrings. I'm struggling. I know I'm getting off topic a little bit, but we have to wear masks in the grocery store. And I have trouble with my earrings. I can't really wear, especially statement earrings with masks because it makes it kind of fall off. And I don't want to chance that. So I've just been wearing either smaller earrings or taking my earrings off before I go in and putting my mask on. But anyway, so bottom line is I am going to send these back, but they're very pretty. I do like them. And then I have one more piece to show you, which I took out, and I thought, the reason I took it out is because I'm like, this feels big. And I remember seeing this in my preview. Let me show it to you because you're like, come on, Kayla, show us the piece. I remember it being smaller. Whoops, that's the wrong side that I'm showing. No, that's the right side. Well, actually, I don't know. No, this is the right side. I thought it was a lot smaller in the preview. And I thought, you know what? I almost swapped it up, and I thought, I need some smaller pieces in my wardrobe, in my collection. This is gonna be longer. I don't have the right top on for this. But you could adjust it and wear it higher, but this is long. I mean, this is coming down, and I think it keeps flipping, but it is pretty. That is actually really pretty. You know what? I like this more than I thought. What do you think? It's got some shine to it, just like the pair of earrings, this pair of earrings. I do like that. It's got a little bit of sparkle in the middle. Oh, I kind of like that. This would be good. I know I don't have the right shirt on, but like with just a plain colored top or an open cardigan, this might be very pretty. So I think I'm gonna keep this. I know I decided quickly, but something in me just says, I think I need this. I think it's very pretty. It's very unique. And it's different from what I own, so I think I might add this. Let me know what you think. So I thought this was a pretty good box. So the only thing I'm definitely sending back, I know, are these earrings. I may send these back too. I don't know how much I'd pull for these, but they are very pretty. I'll wear them around a little bit today and see. But anyway, thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I hope you're all doing well, and I will see you in my next video because I'm doing a lot of filming today, so I will see you soon.